Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the interview writing, how to write interview question. Here some questions I have already taken here. So today we are going to discuss in this video lecture. First of all, we must know the guidelines how to write interview question. That is important part. Unless and until it is known, or we must understand rules and regulations about interview writing. The question will occur like frame 8 to 10 interview questions, and you are going to ask a question to one of the sports person, one of the businessmen, or one of your favorite hero, or anything can be asked. But here what is important part in it, you are going to frame the questions. While writing interview questions, you are not supposed to write answer along with the question. You are not going to write answers of interview question, okay? And you are not going to write interviewer, interviewee, interviewer, interview. You are not going to write anything, okay? So how we should write this interview question, and this is one of the easy topics in composition part, because 8 compositions will be asked. Lots of compositions are there, and in which of them 4 you are going to write in the final exam, and each writing task composition will be asked for 4 marks. Means in total 16 marks are there for composition. Here let us talk about the interview question. Now here that is final, that we are going to frame 8 or 10 or 9 question, okay? So how will you write this? There are two types are there while writing interview question. First of all, first topic is very easy. So guidelines are given here. The first guideline is, in the beginning greeting paragraph must be given. Means what? At the initial level of this interview writing, you are not going to start by writing one question. You can feel that if a person is sitting in front of you, you are not going to ask directly questions. Sir, these are the questions, 8 questions are given, and now you have to give me the answers, and I have to go somewhere else. So you cannot say like this. So how can you deal, or how can you take the interview of the person? So you have to pour your ideas in it, and the first idea is what? You should greet the person, okay? You must provide hospitality to the person who has come as a guest in your program. Now here I have uttered the name of the program. When will you take interview? For taking interview of such a great personality, you must first of all arrange a program, and in that program you can call the important person, the celebrity, and you can take the interview of. Anytime you cannot go and take interview. Suppose Virat Kohli is sitting somewhere, is going somewhere, and you cannot stop him and say, sir, please stop for half an hour, I am going to take your interview. No, you must give intimation to the interviewee that on some day, on a certain day, we are coming to your house or your office, or you are coming to our program, and there we are going to take your interview. So in this way intimation will be given. So here for that purpose you have to create a program, you have to arrange a program like Wings of the Fire. You can give name to your created program. Wings of the Fire, Famous Sportsman, then The Real Hero, or likewise you can give names to the program. So first of all, first paragraph must be written, okay, and in that paragraph we can say that salutation of this paragraph. Salutation means what? We can say beginning paragraph. Secondly, use simple, clear and crispy language while framing interview question. So while framing interview question, your language must be understood by the reader or audience or viewers. If you are taking interview for TV channel, so your viewers must understand your language. If you are taking interview for a newspaper, so your reader must understand your language. So your language must be clear and crispy. And if you are taking interview for a radio channel, then your listeners will be there and they must understand your language. So language must be language is used in the interview means it will be very simple, very clear and crispy. Third point is questions should be assisted with statement to make it more convincing. Means what? Yes, it is right. Sometimes you can add, sometimes means every time you can add every time a sentence before question. Means why it is so? Because that if you want to convince your question, or if you want to suppose sometimes what happens, difficult question you create difficult question and the program is going on and you ask question to the interview. That time interview is not able to understand. Sometimes it happens. For that purpose, means what here? Here your interview must convince with your question. He must understand your question. For that understanding, you must provide what? Background. Background. And how will you provide the background? By creating supportive statement to the question. Okay. So here you have to create a statement to support your question. Write the question by considering proper sequence. So you must arrange the questions according to proper sequence. So proper sequence must be followed. In short, you cannot ask end part in the beginning and you cannot ask beginning part in the end. Okay. Sixth one is while writing question, what do we do that while writing question? We create statement, supportive statement, we write question, but we usually forget to give question mark in the end. If you are writing question and question mark is not given, then you will not miss. 0 marks will be credited to your account. Okay, 0 marks will be credited to your account. So that is the thing. Grammar structure must be given priority. Means here grammar structure means while writing question, grammar structure must be followed, and in the end closing paragraph must be given. Means what? You must express gratitude, or you must express your thanks for the person who has come here in your program, okay, for giving the interview. Let us have the marking scheme. Marking scheme is appropriate framing question is for 2 marks. Language and style, 1 mark is secured for that. Again 1 mark is secured for proper framing of questions. If you frame the questions according to the sequence, then 1 mark will be given. In this way 4 marks are there. Now the first question is, let us have first question. You are given responsibility to take the interview of one of the famous businessmen. Now prepare a set of 8 to 10 questions for taking the interview of the businessman. Okay, so this is the question. Now suppose you are, means businessman is called in your program. So first of all you have to create program. So you can mention any name. So I have given here name. Here directly we go. Here I have written a sample copy of this interview question. Here I have written here, welcome sir. Okay, so you can mention there another good morning, good afternoon sir, welcome in our program. So you can add here good afternoon or good morning, anything according to the time. Good morning, or now here good evening. In the evening we cannot take, we don't take interview. Okay, just a minute. Hello, बोला. Okay, so here you can say that you can write here good morning, welcome sir in our program The Real Hero. So here I have given the name of this program The Real Hero. So you have arranged the program and you have given the name to the program, that is The Real Hero. It's our pleasure to having here with us. So here I have written, you can write another wording. I am glad to be here with you, or I am glad that you have come here in this program and your presence has really enhanced the beauty of our program. A reader wants to know, now here I am taking this interview for one of the newspapers. Okay, our readers want to know more about you. Shall we start our talk? So here you can't say that can we talk or can you talk or can you say about this. No, here humble request must be given. Should we talk? Should we start a talk? Should I ask you a question? You should not say that. So here not question answer method is being followed. Okay, here you are going to take interview, so it should be informal. Yes, we are forming or we are just taking in, this interview according to the proper format, but here the language must be informal. That interview must feel that the language is informal. Okay, जो माणूस इंटरव्यू द्यायला आलाय त्याला ते आपलीशी लँग्वेज वाटली पाहिजे की आपण येस हे एकदम फ्रेंडली बोलतायत, अशा पद्धतीने आपण लँग्वेज वापरली पाहिजे. So first question I have written here, as we know you are well known businessman, when did you realize the quality of business in you? So this is my question. Your question will be different from me. It will be like, as we know you are well-known businessman, was it your childhood dream? Okay, did you nurse this dream in somewhere in your mind? Did you nurse this dream somewhere in your mind? Means what? Was it your childhood dream? त्याचंच वर्जन असं आहे की did you were you keeping or did you was it your childhood dream or did you keep this or did you nurse this dream somewhere in your mind? Nurse means what? Here we have sometimes we keep some things in our mind. We are not going to tell somebody else or someone else. आपण आपल्याकडेच ठेवतो, डोक्यात एखादी कल्पना असते ती कोणाशी बोलून दाखवत नाहीत आणि आपण ती एकदा करतो आणि तेच आपलं स्वप्न असतं, अशा प्रकारे. Second question is, family support is very important to develop business. Now here I have created the question. Family support is necessary. You can say that family support is necessary in your every steps. Okay. How did your family help you, or did your Means how did, here my question is what, how did your family help you? You can also ask that, did your family help in your career? Okay. Third question is, motivation plays vital role in one's life while building career. Who motivated you? Okay. You can also create, motivation is important while building career. Okay. Many persons or many people get motivation from their idols. So who motivated you? Who is your idol? You can also say that. Another question is, there is no secret formula to success. It's just of preparation and hard work. Yes, hard work and preparation is necessary to grab the success. What were your personal efforts to make your career possible? मग तुझे efforts काय आहेत ते त्यांनी सांगितले. मग ते आपण विचारायचे. Okay. Next is, to become businessman, one must have some qualities. Qualities असल्या पाहिजे. तुम्ही जर क्रिकेटर व्हायचे तर you must know how to handle the bat and how to ball. Okay, how to throw the ball. So in this way, or you must know how to handle or how to play. It must be also understood. So to become businessman, one must have some qualities. Which qualities are and skills? Here R is wrongly written here. I have written here wrong. R here it is wrong. Which qualities and skills are required to become businessman? Sixth one, everyone has his or her role model. Who is your role model or who is your idol? Seventh question is, what are your feelings after getting successful businessman award? Suppose he might have got a businessman award. So here what are you feeling after getting a businessman award or successful businessman award? To grow a business, you must tackle some hurdles. इथे तुम्ही वेगळा क्वेश्चन तयार करू शकता. To grab the position in the businessman, you must tackle lots of difficulties. What were they? What are they? And how did you tackle them? What were they? Okay. What were they? कोणत्या होत्या त्या? And how did you tackle them? तुम्ही त्या कशा सोडवल्यात? अशा पद्धतीने तुम्ही ते विचारायचे. What will you tell about today's generation? Would you like to give a message to our readers? What will you tell about today's generation? Now here, this is the last question. So after discussing after touching all the aspects of means what? Aspects means the life of the childhood life, then his dream, family members, and after touching all the aspects, all the types or all the sides, finally we must ask the views of the interview about today's generation. Okay, so what will you tell about today's generation? Would you like to give message to our readers? And the last paragraph as I said that it's a very proud moment to me and my colleagues. Your thought will really inspire us all the time. Thank you for giving us your precious time. And this is your model. This is your appropriate interview question. Okay. For this you will get full marks. The second type can be asked in your examination. The tabular form, this kind of tabular form will be given you in the question paper. Okay. So second activity, imagine you have to conduct an interview of the distinguished personality in the field of sports. So we have taken Virat Kohli. With the help of the given table and points, draft question on the given field associated with the personality. Do not change the sequence of the question. So here, if suppose tabular form is asked in the examination, so you are not going to change the sequence of the question. Okay. First of all, you have to frame tabular form while solving this question. तुम्हाला सुद्धा असाच फॉर्मॅट तयार करायचा आहे लिहिताना. ओके, सो हियर name of the interview, distinguished personality. So here you can mention Virat Kohli or Sachin Tendulkar or MS Dhoni. Area of success, reputation, cricket. Date, venue, you can mention any date, any time, but here you have to mention today's date. म्हणजे तुम्ही आज जर लिहिलं तर आजचीच डेट. Duration of the interview, you can mention half an hour or 1 hour. Now questions. Early life and struggle. So I have written here all the questions. Here I have written 45 minutes. Then questions. Student life. I heard that you didn't get time for your study. Okay. How was your student life? My question is, I heard that you didn't get time for your study. How was your student life? Your question will be different. I heard that you were naughty boy in your childhood. So how did you come? How did you complete your education, primary educations? You can talk about primary education because student life. You can mention here anything, but it must come in student's life. त्या छोट्या मुलाच्या म्हणजे तुम्ही आता इथे हाऊ वॉज युअर स्टुडंट लाईफ म्हटलंय. इट इज व्हेरी सिम्पल क्वेश्चन. इट हॅज बीन क्रिएटेड. सो यू कॅन आस्क प्रायमरी एज्युकेशन. हाऊ डिड यू कम्प्लीट युअर प्रायमरी एज्युकेशन? इन विच बोर्ड डिड यू कम्प्लीट युअर प्रायमरी एज्युकेशन? अर्ली इंटरेस्ट. युअर टर्न व्हेरी अर्ली टू स्पोर्ट्स. विच गेम डिड यू लाईक टू प्ले इन युअर स्कूल अँड कॉलेज डेज? अपार्ट फ्रॉम क्रिकेट, which were your favorite game? For example, if you consider Mahendra Singh Dhoni, so Mahendra Singh Dhoni was not a cricketer in the beginning. He was, I think, hockey player or football player. I don't know exactly, but football player. Then coach found him that he was good in that wicket keeping. Then he was selected. Mahendra Singh Dhoni was selected, and then he came into Indian cricket team. So idol, many people have their idols. Who is your idol? Okay. Primary training. To become a good cricketer, basic training is necessary. From where did you take basic training of cricket? Who was your coach? Okay. So in this way you can create sub questions. You can create 2 questions in one point. चालू शकते तसं. Opportunity. Playing for Indian national cricket team is the dream of every cricketer. How did you get the opportunity? Or you can say, how did you get the chance to come into Indian team? Accomplishment. कोणत्या accomplishment झालेत, काय पूर्ण केलंय ते. Targets. Apart from your goals, apart from your means what are your another goals and how will you accomplish them? Suggestions means here suggestion means what message we are going to take for our next generation. What will you tell about today's generation? Would you like to give a message to our readers? So here first question I have taken. Here what is important? You are not going to write beginning and end because tabular form is already given. Okay. So while writing tabular form you are not going to write beginning paragraph and ending paragraph. But in the first type you are going to write beginning paragraph and ending paragraph. Okay, I think you might have understood it very well. I'm going to send you the PDF copy of all the things which I have created. And next तुम्हाला 2 हे सोडवायचे आहेत, हे 2 लिहायचेच आहेत नोटबुक मध्ये. Addition to that, now you are going, that's why I have created 30 minutes lecture, because rest of the 30 minutes, within that 30 minutes you are going to write 2 new interview. One tabular must be written in the tabular form and second one is in the plain first form. 2 activities आहेत. पहिल्या ऍक्टिव्हिटीज अजून एक पाहिजे तुमचा आणि दुसरा, म्हणजे तुमच्याकडे 4 इंटरव्ह्यू क्वेश्चन्स असतील. ओके, Thank you.